Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So they were original for $33 and the girl gave me a discount. In the US I try anise and it's really good. I really like 100% solid wood. 160. Why am I never believe my mother said things expensive? I wish I can hold myself to that. Come on. Okay, so the first stop is quartz. This one is mandarin and grapefruit. Sugar scrub. One just off 100 also. Big up the girl Aras. Big up you. It's like $15. Comparable price was $30. So this was the first. I bought it for $17. It was originally going for $30 and it's wood stock. 80 grand. That's kind of nice. I mean, have 80 grand though. I feel like $100, but it works. It is fruity sorbet. I am good. How are you?